What up, S&M Squad, and welcome back, guys. Here's your boy Sean.
And your girl.
Yes.
Man.
Hell yeah.
What is up, S&M Squad?
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Hey, you guys, listen, if you're having a bad day, guess what? Let's turn it around right now with some good energy, plus some good music. My love, who we have today, my love.
Today we'll be reacting to ABBA.
Yes.
Gimme, gimme, gimme a man after midnight.
Whoa,
Ooh,
Nelly.
that is spicy.
Gimme.
A man after midnight.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Spicy and hot, I can tell.
You guys
already
sent it to us, and we are here to
I
deliver.
can't wait to hear this one, you guys. Ready to get into it?
Yes, my love.
All right, you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you guys be notified. Let's jump straight into the lyrics. Let's go. What? Give me a hand after midnight. Okay, it's our first time hearing this one, you guys. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Okay. Did you hear that high note?
You know what?
That note was amazing.
They
I thought it was gonna go on forever. Like, I'm like, when is it gonna stop? When is she gonna need to catch her breath? Her voice is absolutely amazing. Yes.
And they look like they can sing.
Yes, they do.
They got that look.
They do, babe.
Like,
yes,
you know what?
they do.
They're going
I love
down.
their sound. Oh my gosh, they have an original sound.
Yes. Original. Let's keep going, guys. Here we go.
Wow. Yeah.
Girl, you better stop.
Oh my gosh, she is on fire. What is her name, guys? The lady in the pink.
What?
In the pink. Oh.
She said no one hears her prayer.
This lady's vocals.
You mind if we send that back a little bit?
Her
Can we just catch that?
vocals are freaking amazing.
We gotta catch that note again. Here we
oh
go.
my. Woo!
Come on now.
Somebody help me chase the shadows away.
Oh, I love that beat. Yeah.
Yes. Nice. Oh, that was so nice. Hell to the yeah, guys.
Whoa.
That was a 10 all day.
A 10 all day long, babe. I absolutely love their voices. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, perfect together.
That is that 70s sound.
Absolutely.
That really made the 70s amazing. Like no other decade.
Get that around the head.
You know,
perfect chemistry.
That disco. Like I wanted to go like this.
Yes.
You know, like I'm truly getting into the 70s
The
era.
70s, I'm loving the 70s.
Oh my god.
I'm loving it. There's something about the 70s.
The 70s were amazing.
And I was like, damn, do we wish that we was born in the 70s?
Yes.
And grew up with all that good
70s,
music?
oh my gosh, yes, babe.
Because our era was like, you know, mostly rap and stuff like that. And it's changing over R&B to rap. But the 70s, that flavor, man, it's nothing like it.
Oh my gosh.
Those
Woo.
ladies, they are amazing together. Their voices sync well together.
Oh my goodness. Please
Absolutely.
let us know who is the beauty. Both of the ladies were absolutely gorgeous.
Yes.
But the notes that the lady in the pink, those
She did
notes
her
that
thing.
she hit,
Mm-hmm.
oh my god.
Hell to the
She
yeah.
is amazing.
Yes. And she made it look easy.
Yes. She really carried that song, man.
That's what I'm talking about, S&M Squad.
That's
Another
how you
banger.
have fun in the studio. The
Yeah.
chemistry that they had together.
Yeah.
It was perfect. They
And
made magic together.
she said, gimme, 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 a man.
A man after midnight.
After midnight.
All right.
Take it to the break of the day or something like
Yeah.
that. You know, I like that. She want to sleep overnight.
All right.
The man holding it tight. Hey, I like that. I like it. It's catchy. I like it. Y'all make sure y'all get this video a big fat thumbs up. We need some more fire. Don't stop.
Bring the
Please don't
fire,
stop.
guys. You guys are
Don't
amazing.
stop.
Yeah, we are on to something.
Yes.
We are on to something.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I know you guys feel it because we got that energy, y'all. S&M Squad. That's what I'm talking about,
Most
y'all.
definitely.
You had a blast, my love?
Oh my gosh, I
Nothing
had
like it,
such
right?
a blast.
Oh,
I am really getting into the 70s, like
yeah.
the
70s.
style that they, you know, the wardrobe, the
Everything,
you know,
the sound,
the dress,
the boogie woogie,
you know,
the
their
dancing,
dressing and
the hairstyles,
hairstyles
the
and
swag.
the swag, and it was just everybody was so cool back
And like so respectful, like,
Yeah,
you know, there
like-
wasn't no beefing and there wasn't no, you know,
Yeah.
animosity.
then.
But
It was
guys,
like a really happy time.
it was definitely a happy time in the 70s. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So,
it's
hey.
like you can still feel it with
Yep.
the music.
Yeah.
You know, the music really helps you to go back
Yes.
and
So.
feel like the 70s era.
Yeah.
So it's absolutely amazing. I'm enjoying the rabbit hole. So
Yes.
guys, if you would like for us to dig deep into ABBA, let
Let's
us
go.
know by giving this video a
Let's get
big
it.
fat thumbs up,
Let's go, y'all.
hitting that subscribe button, and turning on your post notification bell.
And we thank you
1,000
guys.
or more thumbs up, we'll do another ABBA
That's what
reaction.
I'm talking about.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah,
I think we
guys.
can get it.
Why
I think
not?
we can do that.
1,000 or more likes, you guys. And with that being said, that's our time. We signing off, but we love you guys. And we thank everyone for watching. We
Yeah.
appreciate it. Hey, it's your boy Sean.
And your girl.
Come on, my love.
Mel.
Bam. That's good energy.
We
Plus
love
good
you
music.
guys.
Hell yeah, y'all be safe. Peace.